All right, another one for you here. So, kid said the drain will go down. I tried using the plunger, tried using the hair puller. Not really going down much, and this is what I came up with. Took the grates off, took this part off from there. You notice this is missing. So, I think there's a sinker or something in there. I'll flash it across the screen. See what that looks like. So, I was looking in the back of the cabinet. Apparently, this has happened to the old owner before. So, he had originally cut a hole here already. So, it's not the first time, looks like. So, there's a cutout. There's a drywall. They must have had that over there. Just kind of screwed in. So, the part that I took out is wiggling around. It looks like it's just a backflow. What we're probably gonna have to do is disconnect here. Disconnect this, that, and down there. We're gonna soak up the water as much as possible, and then we'll figure out where it's clogged right here. It's probably clogged right about here, right at the T connector. So that's where the drain for the bottom of the shower is. All right, let's see. All right, so what I did was I took a rag, soaked up all the water from there, and rinsed it out, soaked every water. So when I go to unplug from the back, I'm gonna have a gushing water. Just in case, I'm gonna bring a rag with me, but that's the result of that. It looks clean. I'm gonna go to the back of it actually, find the real problem. All right, what I did is stuff a towel, make sure it catches everything. So, underneath is all this is drywall. So put a towel there, unscrew this one and that one, and then eventually this one. And basically that'll take care of the T-bar. All right. I took this apart, so that's part of it there. So that's out. That's out. Other part is this right there. I can't see anything that's clogged, so I'm going to put the snake down. See what happens. Pretty much you can see daylight on this side, there, and there. We'll see. All right, so we went 15 feet on the snake, there, 15 feet. All right, so we went 15 feet on the snake there, and we had a couple hair here and there. Thick, of course, because of the shampoo, conditioner, all that. So it looks pretty good down there. Everything's reconnected. That's just residual water from when I took it apart. Let's test it out. So turn the water. There, we're gonna plug it up just to make sure it really does work. So this will create the suction force that we need. So we're gonna go to, right about there. See, there we go. Keep it up. You take that suction force, make sure this whole thing goes down. All day. Fill the water, create that big suction. That's how we know it actually does work. All right, folks. If you like this kind of content, you haven't already subscribed to the channel. I'll show you how to fix things on your own. This is about finance and cost savings, so this is a cost saver. Like I said, call a plumber in the middle of the night to do unclog a drain like this. I don't know how much it costs, but I'll flash it across the screen. All right, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, comment below. I'll see you next time.